Our day trip through the Toggenburg area continues, and there is fantastic buildings here everywhere. It's green grass, it's fantastic vistas. But we are actually here for Maestrani's Chocolarium, which is just behind me here. Here is where they make sensational chocolate like many places in Switzerland, but this one's special because they're making Globi chocolate. The kids are gonna love that. Matilda, how is chocolate made?
When you want to make a character or things that are characters, just put them in a tiny box. So much chocolate in this tiny box. And then when you leave it for a minute, in the oven, in the fridge, then it melts hard, and then it's like chocolate character.
Very good.
You do it, it's going to be the fastest. Hold it, Sarah.
Siehst du oben bis auf dem Bildschirm, siehst du im Januar. Dann weiter drehen, was kommt nach dem Januar? Februar, März, April. Schmeckt der anders? That's what you meant, Matilda. That's the original, isn't it? Kommst du rauf? Da kommt sie raus. We had so much fun here. It was really great. And the kids got a Globi, eh? And we bought just a ton of chocolate here. How many bags are you carrying, darling?